Well, beta, maybe, I don't know if this helped, Brittany. I'm just making this up on the fly. So maybe this will work. Beta is a measurement of volatility. And so I was joking with, people about the weather here off grid. I said, the weather has a high beta. It's very volatile. It could be like 20 degrees in the morning and like 115 at night. So beta is a measurement of volatility as compared to the market as a whole. And it's a pretty straightforward concept, particularly on 7. So, if I'm looking at a security or a mutual fund that has a beta of 1.5, that means it's 1.5 times more volatile than the market. So if the market return is 10, beta would suggest that I should be rewarded for the risk I'm taking in the volatility, and my expected return would be 15%. I simply took the market return, S&P 500 times 1.5, 15%. That's beta. And so, if I call you and I say, hey, Brittany, we got 13%, market did 10. And you say, well, then you got a lot of guts to be chatting up 13. I go, why are you such a Debbie Downer? And you said, well, Dean, you actually underperformed. Based on the beta, 13 isn't good. I go, oh, gee, you're no fun. Now, if I call you and say we got 17, now I got something to chat up. And that's alpha. Alpha is the excess return over beta. It can be positive or negative. So if I tell you, Brittany, that I'm seeking alpha, that means I'm seeking excess returns. And that means I'm taking greater risk. Right? There are entire websites and hedge funds called Seeking Alpha. Right? So that's what beta is. Beta is a measurement of volatility as compared to the market. It's a definitional question. And then alpha is excess over beta or below. That's what the excess is. It's a recognition question. Now, when you get to your 66 or 65, I might actually make you come up with the expected return of 15%. I might throw in risk-free stuff like that. So I hope that was helpful. Again, it's mainly an answer set: A, alpha; B, beta; C, I don't know, I'll call C delta. I'll call choice D gamma. If I say a measurement of a stock's volatility as compared to the market can best be described as, you say beta. If I say excess returns over beta can best be described as, you would say alpha.